What's going on, everybody on YouTube? It's SVT Vasquez back at it with another video, back at it with another banger, man. In today's video, we're gonna be reviewing the Craftsman wheel seat. Let's start the show.
I'm on TV. Oh shit! First cops, now this. Oh man, I'm be a star, son.
All right, guys. As you can see, I've already opened it. I have the Craftsman Storage Seat with 2 drawers, and I was in the middle of putting it together, but I figured I would just do a review on it since it's very simple to set up, and I'll show you guys all the features that it comes with. Shout out to my younger brother. He bought me this for Christmas, so I'll finish putting it together and I'll show you guys how it's done. So far I put in one wheel already, and I put the seat. The seat is gonna come with these screws right here. The screws are gonna be attached already. All you gotta do is unscrew it, put the seat in, and screw the screws in. Same with this back handle here. The screw is gonna be attached to the handle. Just unscrew it, slide in the handle, and then screw it back in. So I'm gonna finish putting in the wheels right now, and it also comes with a tool. It also comes with a tool to put everything together. This part's gonna be for the wheel, and then the other side is gonna be for the screws for the handle and the seat, like I mentioned earlier. So that's pretty cool that they covered all that. You don't need any of your personal tools. You could pretty much put it all together with this. So like I mentioned, the screws were on there already for where you need them. All I'm gonna do is unscrew these 2 right here in the front. And then we're gonna place this bracket that's gonna hold your wrenches, your screw. This bracket's gonna hold your wrenches, your screwdrivers, and things like that. So you just take out the screws and place them back in the same spot where you took them out. And it's a simple installation. It doesn't take very long. Alright, then you tighten it back up. And that's that. So all I need to do now is put the wheels on this, and this is actually a very nifty little seat, because when I was doing detail work on my car, I was using a regular chair, and every time I moved around I would have to pick up the chair, move it over to where I'm working at, and then being hunched over so much, it really messes up your back. You start getting sore after spending so much time hunched over, putting pressure with a machine while I was detailing the car. And this seat is very low, so when you have to go down low, work on the wheel, work on the exhaust, things like that, you're able to slide back and forth, and it can also hold tools. So it's a very good, well built. It feels like good quality. It has drawers on the sides too, one on this side and one on the other side. So like I said, I'm gonna put this to good use. Once I clean out the garage, my Miata's still in there. I need to fix the Miata, take it out to make more space so I could work in there, and then I'll be able to use this seat. The Cobra is going to need a detailing here coming up shortly. I'm starting to see swirl marks, and I want to attack those before they get worse. Like when I first had the car, if I attack them now and put protection on it, it won't look as bad as I had it before. So this is going to help me a lot while I'm detailing it all over again. And it's been raining. I've been driving the Cobra every day, so it's fairly dirty. The wheels need to come off. I need to scrub those down too so they don't get out of hand. And yeah, that's it for today. just a short little review of this roller seat, and I'm gonna finish putting it together, and I'll show you guys to see how smoothly it rolls or it doesn't roll. So hold on, give me a second, I'll be right with you. Alright guys, so I'm 5'6", so you guys can compare the size. I'm 5'6". As you can see, there's a drawer on this side, and it goes in, goes out smoothly. There's a drawer on this side. On the top, the cushion is pretty comfortable when I sit on it. There's enough cushion. It's not too hard and not too soft. You feel firm when you sit on it, so that's good. As for the wheels, they're definitely gonna roll. It's not gonna roll you around. If you want to stay put, you're gonna stay put. But if you're gonna roll, it is fairly easy. But you're not gonna be working and moving around everywhere. It's pretty firm once it's standing still. So I'll be able to use my detailing machine, and it's gonna hold me in place. So that's pretty comfortable. But if you do want to stay in one place, it does have brakes. You just turn the knob on the wheel and it'll lock the wheel so you won't go anywhere. One of the good features I like about this is it has this little plate down here. So when you're taking out nuts and bolts, you could place them here so they're not on the ground or anything. Like I said, tools could fit up here. You could put things like that. The seat has this little storage space in here that you could put tools in. It's not very big storage spaces, but you're not gonna put your whole tool set in here. It's just a quick little storage while you're working on your vehicle. So this is the seat and what it looks like. Not a bad seat. It's good quality, good build. As you can see, the drawers do slide on. I don't know if they lock in place or not, but they do slide out easily. Okay, once you press it in, it locks in place. So I just had him press it in all the way. Same with this one. Just push it in and it won't slide out. So yeah, guys, that's the Craftsman seat. Give you guys a 360 view.
Oh.
Looks like my daughter likes it too. So once I clear up my garage, this is really gonna come in handy. I just need to fix my Miata, get it out of there, and put some things in the attic. So I've been cleaning up little by little, and hopefully we put some good use into this. So that's gonna do it for the review, guys. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. Happy New Year to everyone, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
I'm just all about this money. I don't think about no thighs. Girl, you don't know about me, so get off my fucking D. Born and raised in the dot. This is real as you gon' see. Girl, you don't know about me, so get off my fucking D.